Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this lovely BMW R Nine T Scrambler. So beautiful bike is this one. It's a 2019 on a 19 plate, and it's done just 4,925 miles from new. Really lovely bike. It is the model, obviously being the Scrambler with the big spokey wheels. You got the heated grips on there as well, and this one's got some nice bar and mirrors. It's got a Pro Race exhaust. It sounds superb, but we do have the standard one included with it as well. Nice little tail end, some nice little indicators as well, and it's also got some handguards. Really nice retro, half digital, half analog display. And these are just super cool bikes. Look awesome with that tan seat as well. Really retro styling, dead comfy, but plenty of power and torque. So they're a really good all-rounder. So bikes like this do sell fast this time of year. So if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.